Hi, I'm Amanda, and today I want to present to you my cool tool number two. I chose the storybird.com for my cool tool. It is a website that boosts writing skills with challenges, and they help students use their imagination to create their own picture books, poetry, or their own uh, books themselves. You can make chapters and their own stories for their own creativity and imagination. There is a 7-day free trial to use this program, and then after that, there's different options if you want to continue using it. But what the website does is that it uses artwork to inspire children or adults to write and jump into their own story. By taking a picture, you can let your imagination make up the story, and this program helps you do this. It also offers lesson plans for teachers and educators where a teacher can actually do a lesson plan through it and do challenges. They can see how a student is progressing, if they need help, how everything is, how their writing is improving. It also includes quizzes, and it also does writing prompts. One of the biggest tools that you can use within this is the Write tool, which gives you and the children an option to create their own picture books. So you tell a student to go and create their own picture book. Well, they can come here and pick from one of these, and we'll pick the witch, and we can make our own. You take these little tiles and you add them to the book. And then once you get all the pictures that you're looking at and you're interested in, you can rearrange the pictures in the order that you want your story to read. You name your story A Little Halloween, and then you create your own picture storybook. Children can use this by looking at all the pictures. Whenever you're done creating your book, you can actually save and exit, and you can either save it as a draft, or you can make it public or private. And the best part about it is that you can actually print your own book or put it on a PDF, and you can be able to share it with other students in your class, with your parents, and you have a little bit of a memory book of what you've created. You can also do long stories, like I said, and so you come and you take a book and you add your title and your chapters and your pictures, and you can make a novel almost. This would be good for a writing exercise for a student writing their own books. And then you can also use it to create their own comics or their own poetry. It's a pretty cool little program to be able to use to help reinforce students to really understand how to write and how their writing can evolve with the imagination. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little presentation. Thanks. Bye.